All right, we are going to start our second ornament. This one's going to be our reindeer ornament. So you need your brown ornaments. And first what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut everything out and then we'll hot glue it onto the ornament. So take your scissors and your piece of light brown felt. What I like to do is fold it in half. And then you can cut your half circle out of the felt. So I'm just going to go straight up. And I'm going to cut out the circle like this. Okay? And then I notice when I look at it, it looks a little too big for my ornament. So I'm going to cut that down. And I'm just going to go make it in an oval shape. Okay? That looks a little closer to what I want. So next step is to grab your black permanent marker and you're just going to make a smiley face on it. So you're just going to go down and up just like you would if you were making a little smiley face. Just like that. Okay, then you can set that off to the side. The next thing you're going to need, you're going to grab one of your medium-sized red puff balls. Set that off to the side, and you're also going to need 2 of the larger googly eyes. So take those, put them off to the side. Then you're going to need you'll need 2 brown pipe cleaners, 1 for each ear. What I do is I fold them in half, make your ends touch, and then make your end touch down there. So you'll have 2 up like that. And then I'm going to fold it up one more time. So I'm going to take the part that's curved down at the bottom and I'm going to fold it up to meet the 2 parts that are not together. So I'm just going to fold that again and pinch it down at the bottom. Okay? What you're going to do now is you're just going to make them look like antlers, so you're going to bend them. Doesn't matter which way you bend them, all deer's antlers they're all different. So maybe mine will go this way. Okay? Then what you're going to do at the very bottom, where they're kind of bent, you're just going to bend it back a little bit so it looks like a foot. Kind of looks like a little foot there. Okay? And then you're going to set that off to the side. I'm going to do the same thing with the other pipe cleaner. So bend it. Pinch it down at the bottom. Then you're going to pull the pinched part back up to the top. And you're going to pinch that again. So pinch. Then I'm going to make it into my antlers again. Just like I said before, it doesn't matter which way they go. Go all different ways. Then I'm going to take my bottom part where the head's going to be, and I'm going to pull it up. Just so it looks like a little L or a little foot, something like that. And I'm going to put that off to the side. All right, looks like we're ready to make our reindeer. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our ball and we're going to take our hot glue gun. And actually, I'm going to put that ball down for a second. We're going to take our mouth with the smiley face and I'm going to put glue just around the outside edge. So my hot glue is going to go right around the edge of the mouth. If you can see, I just put it right around the edge. You can do it however you like. If you want to fill it in the middle, that's fine. We can put some extra glue in there just to make sure that it sticks. So then we're going to take our ornament and we are going to put it right on the ornament, just like that. Make sure that you try to make it flat as it'll go. Okay? Then you're going to put your nose on next. So you need your glue again. I'm going to take one of my glue sticks here. Running out of glue. You definitely want to have an adult with you when you're using hot glue because it is very hot. So maybe an adult could help you with this. So you're going to put just a dab of hot glue on there. Be very, very careful when you're doing this. And you're going to put your nose right above your mouth, right about there. Okay? Then we're going to put on our googly eyes. So again, you're going to need your hot glue. And you're just going to put it right on the back of the googly eye. And you're going to put your googly eye right by your nose. So right like that. Okay, we're going to need one more. One more eye. Okay. Last eye, we're going to put it right on the other side of our nose. Right there. Okay. We are ready for our antlers. So what I do is I like to take my antlers and I put it on the bottom of that foot that we made, the bottom of the L. And I'm going to put my antler, my one antler on one side. And then I'm going to put my other set of antlers on the other side. Oop, there he goes. Okay, put your glue on the bottom there. Then put your antlers right about there. Okay. We have one more thing Mrs. Kostyak forgot. Do you see what I forgot? See the difference between the two? The one that I made earlier? What am I missing? I'm missing his ears. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my brown felt and I'm going to, it's much easier if you deal with a smaller piece. So I'm going to take this larger piece and I'm going to cut out a smaller square. Okay, I'm going to put this to the side. I don't need that. What I like to do again is I'm going to fold it over. And I'm going to take the part that has the two open ends. And that's going to be my bottom. That's going to be the bottom of my ear. And I'm going to start from there. And I'm just going to kind of curve up to a point. And I'm going to curve my ear back down. And I'm going to make sure that there's a flat bottom. Make sure there's a flat bottom for that ear. Okay? Then we're going to take our flat bottom. We're going to put a dot of glue down at the bottom there. And we're going to fold our ear over. Just so that there's a little bit of glue at the bottom. And that makes a pretty good looking ear. Came part. Okay. There's one. Then we're going to do one more. So do the same thing. Take your flat part. Put a little dot of glue. And then fold it over. So that forms the bottom of our ear. Okay, last step. We're going to put our glue down along where we put that other glue down at the bottom of our ear. And we're going to put the deer's ears right about there, bottom of the antlers. How's that look? Right there. One more. I need to get my glue again. Glue the bottom flat part where we put the other glue. And we're going to put that at the bottom of the other ear. And that's it. That's how you make your deer ornament. And then I'm going to bring back the other ornament. And that's my son Brennan's name. So those are the two ornaments that we've created today. Your name ornament and your deer ornaments. All right, happy crafting. Bye.